because pancreas is having both the endocrinal and exocrinal features, right? तो मेन बल्क ऑफ द पैंक्रियाज इज एक्सोक्राइन. तो एक्सोक्राइन में भी कौन सा सीरस ग्लैंड with the compound tubuloalveolar which are similar to the parotid gland, right? So pancreas is covered by the pancreatic capsule, if you know the anatomy of the pancreas, and this capsule are sending the septa, dividing it again into the lobules. So alveoli, the actinous or alveoli of the glands of the exocrine gland of the pancreas are long and tubular. These are not spherical like other alveoli, but they are long and tubular and very small lumen. If you see here, अभी एक पूरा ही दिख रहा है यहाँ पे. अगर इसको मैं indicate कर रहा हूँ this one, so very narrow small slit-like lumen is present there in the elongated tubular structure. Fine. The cells are triangular in shape, and the nuclei are spherical and more at the base as compared to the apex of the each cell. And cytoplasms are having more basophilic staining on the basal part and more eosinophilic on the apical part because of the presence of the secretory granules around over the apical area to be secreted into the lumen. Then these acinas or the alveoli are sending their secretion into the intercalated duct, also known as the intralobular duct. Okay, so we can't see it very remarkably. You can't see under the microscope because they are looking same as the alveoli because they are also tubular. So therefore, you can't differentiate between the alveoli and the intercalated ducts. So intercalated ducts are not having the function of the secretion, but they are looking like same as the alveoli. Then intercalated ducts are draining their secretion into the interlobular duct. So the interlobular ducts are the larger duct, okay, and they are draining into the main pancreatic duct. So main pancreatic duct and the accessory pancreatic duct. So both are draining into their secretion into the duodenum. Okay. So what is the function of the duct? So ducts, what are they doing? They are columnar cells. They are controlling the bicarbonate and water contents of the secretion coming from the alveoli. Okay, so and their control are under higher control also under the neural and hormonal control. Okay. Then the endocrine part. The exocrine part हो गया तुम्हारा. Now we'll see the endocrine part. So endocrine part is also known as the pancreatic islets or the islets of the Langerhans. So I will try to show you very proper pancreatic islets. So how will you differentiate between the parotid gland and pancreas? By searching out the islets of Langerhans. अगर pancreatic islet दिखता है तो means it is pancreas, not parotid gland, right? This pancreatic islet, so it is scattered all along the body and all the parts of the pancreas in between or amongst this exocrine part, and they are more abundant in the tail area. Okay. And how many of the islets of Langerhans are there? Around 1 million of the pancreatic islets are there in the human body or human pancreas. So you can see here, this is light stand area you can see compared to the surrounding exocrinal part. So this is the pancreatic islets. So these pancreatic islets are they are surrounded by the reticular connective tissue which is separating it from surrounding exocrinal part, and they are rich in blood supply. If I will try to show you under high power of the microscope, you can see so these are the cells of endocrinal part, that is pancreatic islet. So this is H&E staining, that is hematocrilin and eosinophilic stain, so all the cells of the pancreatic islets are looking same. But there are some special staining where you can differentiate between the cells of the pancreatic islet. तो अल्फा सेल होता है, बीटा सेल है और डेल्टा सेल होता है. अल्फा सेल is secreting the glucagon that consisting the 20% of islets. Beta cells are secreting the insulin amounting about 70% of the islets, and delta cell which are 10%, they are secreting the gastrin and the somatostatin. So insulin and glucagon, they are playing important role in the carbohydrate metabolism. So you can see separate alveolar structure of the pancreas. ठीक है? If you see in between the light stain, ये तो highly dark थोड़ा basophilic दिख रहा है, फिर very light eosinophilic structure दिख रहा है बीच-बीच में. So these are the apical part of each cell. Okay, because they are having the granules, the secretory granule. अगर secretory granule निकल गया है, then it will be more clear. और secretory granules हैं apical area में, release नहीं किया इसका secretion, then they will remain highly eosinophilic. Okay, so these are the spots of the eosinophilic or more clear area you can see inside the alveoli. So guys, so we are done for the day for the histology. We can be now. Thank you.